Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how I find keywords to build topical authority for my niche websites, right? So let's get into the website, and it's questiondv.io. When you get to the website, just enter your niche, just like let's suppose my niche is electric scooter. When I hit generate, like it will start generating keywords for me, the questions. They are gathering it from the social media like the forums and some other resources to compile the list which we're gonna use to build topical authority related to our niche. So you can see, and the questions are there to use and build topical authority. We can write different article on this, but we can use that in one single article as well. So there are good keywords in there, like how theft prone is to lock your electric scooter outside, how can I charge my electric scooter with solar power, and some great keywords as well. Let me copy few of them and paste it here. So yeah, I can use this to build topical authority related to like the electric scooter. You can find some niche in this website question DB. So this is the way I can use for to build topical authority, so you can try it out.